Did you know that over 70% of recurring audit issues are due to unresolved root causes? Imagine plugging the same leak over and over, instead of fixing the pipe. That's where root cause analysis comes in. Welcome to the GRC Sentinel. Today, we're diving into root cause analysis, or RCA, your secret weapon for fixing issues at the source instead of just treating the symptoms. Whether you're tackling control failures, policy non-compliance, or process inefficiencies, RCA helps you ask the right questions and find solutions that stick. By the end of this video, you'll know what RCA is, why it matters, and how to use it effectively in your audit work. Let's get started. So, what is root cause analysis? It is a systematic approach to identifying the underlying reasons for a problem or failure, rather than just addressing the immediate symptoms. It aims to uncover the fundamental issue driving the problem, allowing for effective solutions that prevent recurrence. Here's an analogy. Think of RCA like a recurring fever. You can keep taking painkillers to bring the temperature down, that's treating the symptom. But unless you visit the doctor to find out why you have the fever, maybe it's an infection or something more serious, the problem keeps coming back. RCA is that doctor's visit. It helps you find the real cause so you can treat the illness, not just mask the pain. RCA is all about finding that infection in your processes and treating it. As internal auditors, RCA enables us to deliver value-driven recommendations that prevent issues from recurring. It's not just about finding what went wrong. It's about understanding why it went wrong. Let's talk about why RCA is a game changer. First, it helps auditors dig deeper. If purchase orders are constantly missing approvals, don't just report it, ask why. Maybe the staff are unaware. Maybe the system lacks reminders. RCA helps you find the real reason and fix it. Second, it strengthens audit impact. Surface-level findings lead to band-aid fixes. RCA leads to long-term solutions. Third, it enhances risk management. By finding root causes, we spot hidden risks before they escalate. And here's something often overlooked: RCA can help us analyze culture and governance, too. If employees consistently ignore procedures, the root cause might be cultural, not procedural. RCA doesn't just fix what's broken, it helps reshape how organizations operate. Now let's get practical. How do you do root cause analysis? The 5 whys method is a great place to start. It's simple: ask why repeatedly until you hit the root. Example. Problem: high employee turnover in the customer service department. Why? Employees are resigning within the first 6 months. Why? They feel overwhelmed and unsupported in their roles. Why? Training is minimal and mostly self-directed. Why? The company doesn't have a structured onboarding program. Root cause: inadequate onboarding and lack of training investment for frontline employees. But that's just the beginning. Try these tools too. Fishbone Diagram, Ishikawa, helps you visualize categories of potential causes. 3-legged 5 whys explores causes across prevention, detection, and recovery. Pareto analysis helps prioritize the biggest contributing factors. Failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, identifies process weaknesses before they cause damage. Causal tree, a tool that maps out the relationships between events and causes, identifying contributing factors. Pro tip: mix and match tools. Complex problems often need multiple lenses. Here's a quick case study. A manufacturing company had constant delays in delivery. Instead of just blaming suppliers, auditors used RCA. They found 3 key root causes: vague procurement contracts, poor inventory forecasting, and communication gaps between teams. By addressing those root issues, The company reduced delays by 40% in 6 months and avoided expensive penalties. That's the power of root cause analysis. RCA digs deeper than symptoms. It helps you deliver impactful audit findings. It supports better governance and risk management. Tools like 5 Whys, Fishbone Diagrams, and Pareto charts make it easy to get started. Want to take your audit reporting to the next level? Start every finding with "Why did this happen?" and don't stop until you uncover the real cause. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out our next video right here. Subscribe for more tips on internal audit tools and techniques.